Hi, my name is Pardhu Narasimha Raju, and I have studied BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2017. So later on in 2017, I have joined in a startup company called VoVoI Solutions as an SEO analyst. As my aim is to become a software developer, so I have shifted my career to software developer by using 10x Academy. Where here in 10x Academy, I have learned a full stack development course, so it had helped me to go get my dream job as a software developer. One of my friend has recently, passed out from the 10x Academy. So he has referred me that there is an academy which was training an professionals as an full stack developer. So by that I got to know about the 10x Academy. As my aim is to become a software developer, so I have chosen 10x Academy, and also I have also understood the the flow of 10x Academy, that once we get the job only we can pay the things, and there is a guarantee about the job. So I have chosen the 10x Academy for the training. I am little bit nervous, particularly on taking on interviews or anything else, and also a bit nervous on coding skills. So by coming into the 10x Academy, I have gone through the number of coding classes and also number of practice sessions, so that now my coding skills and the issue solving, mainly the problem solving skills has been increased, and also my nervousness has been decreased right now. So this helped a lot. The one-on-one mentor session was very helpful for me, because when I am facing any issues, or when I am facing a little backstep on my courses, the one-on-one session helped me. The mentors helped me, and guided me through what I am going like, and they have guided me to the right pace and increased my willpower and the confidence. Mainly, as I'm an nervous person. So the mock interviews which has been held by 10x Academy were mainly they have increased my confidence on attending an interviews. So I in my perspective, the one-on-one sessions and the mock interviews has been helped a lot for me. The mock interviews which has been held for me, it has been very grateful. Right, they are very unique, and we are getting a professional. As a professional, we are getting a mock interviews, right? So this has helped us to crack the interviews in an easy manner, not to be too tough. It helped us to crack the interviews in an easy manner. So that has helped us a lot. Yeah, it was very good, because we have gone through multiple exams and mock interviews, right? So we got very good experience with 10x Academy.